All right, everyone. So I'm just doing a quick recap for today trades today. It was a really interesting day on NIO. So NIO was on our watch list. It was really strong at in the pre-market. It went all the way up to previous day close essentially. And at the open, first minute didn't get any volume, and then the volume came in, and then I just didn't like it to take any long because of these moving averages and these resistances. Thor take it to the short side, dropped the VWAP, and he covered. And I still didn't like it for the opening range breakdown. I mean, potentially it could have been a 5-minute opening range breakdown. It was below the VWAP. Everything set up was ready for a 5-minute opening range breakup, but I just didn't like it. The reason that I didn't like it, it was so strong in the pre-market that almost went green. So I just didn't get the feeling that I should go short on it. It was really strong in the pre-market, and I didn't see a lot of downside selling pressure, so I just didn't like it until it squeezes up above the VWAP. And after it squeezed above the VWAP, I took it a 5-minute opening range breakup, and that's an example of an opening range breakup on the stock that was down. But because the volume came in and squeezed, and I knew a lot of people are probably short here, for moving down, and now they're getting a squeeze. So I went long at 36.80, popped for the breakup high of the day at 37.60, scaled out, and I saw just the buying pressure and buying frenzy is so strong that I actually added more back below 38 for the break of previous day close, red to green, and all the way up to 39.40. And I held a little bit here on the bounce to the VWAP, and I got out essentially almost at the break even because I added a lot of shares here. So that was a really solid day for me. A lot of people like Brian, they have a trade book that they buy right at the VWAP for a quick next bounce. And I just didn't trade that. As you see, quick bounce here, and then it sold off. This is a good strategy that Brian has. Sometimes he buys and this drops at the VWAP for the next bounce, but you can't expect it to go back to the high of the day. These are really a quick bounce that you get. Brian just did that trade exactly on eyes today. I did eyes actually. I did an eye trade too for a 1-minute opening range breakup. Peter actually mentioned that in the chat, and I kind of chased it. I saw it's break of 10. I got long and sold quickly. I didn't get much of profit on it because I don't think I get that many shares, only $600. And then it did drop. Brian bought at 880 around this area. For the next pop, he sold like 50-60 cents up here. So I don't know, Brian, do you have any strategy, a trade book on this buying on the pullbacks and VWAP?
Again, it's just trading it off the VWAP. Sometimes on a strong stock, I'll also trade off either the 9 or the 20 moving average. Quite often, stocks will hold if they break through the 9, they'll hold at the 20. It's kind of what eyes did if you look at it. You could have taken it off the 9, but it did drop to the VWAP because it was a little more volatile.
Yeah, excellent. So that was pretty much on me. I'm just at this quick scalp on eyes and NIO, which was amazing. On the long-term accounts positions, I got some ARC on Friday, bounced back really well, but now it's a little bit weak. I have TNA and I have TQQ, which unfortunately they're not doing great. IWM was strong today. Now it looks like it's actually, we might lose it, so I might actually get out of IWM. I don't know. Yeah, IWM seems the strongest index among the all, so let's see how it does. It might actually bounce back or go higher. So I'm just holding some TNA and some TQQ, which is it's either cardboard or Lamborghini, as Hamza made the fun. All right, thank you so much, guys. If you have any question, email me Andrew at Bearable Traders, or be in the forum, Discord. And yeah, I'll see you all tomorrow morning in the chat room. Tomorrow we have a San Francisco meetup. I mean, hopefully informal. Again, I know this COVID restriction and not everyone feel comfortable, and definitely I don't expect a lot of people to come. Thank you, guys.